Hi, today I'm gonna tell you about users and their different user roles. So please subscribe my channel so that you can watch the latest videos. So let's get started. So there are two types of users. One is unregistered and the other one is registered user. So there are different user roles, as I have told you in the previous lecture when I was telling about settings, and there I told you about some user roles like subscriber and all. So I'm gonna explain that. So let me when you go to your main dashboard, so here in the users, yeah, you can see here in the users section. So here you can see all users, add new, and your profile. So let me take to the all users section and let me show you. So here are only two users, like this I'll delete it because it is, I have just completed it. So yeah, so when you open the user, by default you are the user right here, like I am the admin and I have the role of administrator. So let me explain you different roles. Like, let me tell you about the first, yeah, so administrator, you the one who have access to all administration features, that is administrator. So right now I am the admin of this this website, so I have access to all these features, administration features. So I am the administrator, so there are first role is administrator one. So the second one is editor. So who is an editor? Editor is who can publish and manage posts and pages as well as manage other users' posts. So a publisher can manage his own post and pages, and he can manage other users' posts and pages as well. So that is called editor. So the third one is author. Author just manage their own post and just publish and manage their own post, nothing else they can do. The contributor, what it does, contributor just write and manage their post but will not publish them. So this is called contributor. And the last one is subscriber. So what does a subscriber do? Subscriber just only manage their profile. So let me take to you my dashboard, and here the default is admin. So what I'm gonna do, if I click on add new, so it will ask me for the username, for the email, for the first name, last name, website if I have, that is optional, and the password. What I'm gonna do, I'm the admin, so I'm going to add a new user to my website. Like I have a team member and I will just give him some role. So like I'm gonna give him from here I can select, like I'm gonna give him editor. He can manage his post as well as other users' post. So what I'm gonna give him a username, like his username is, or her, like Asma, Javed and all. And email, I can give it's like anything else, like suppose I have the email as well, 123@gmail.com, and first name I'm gonna give as Asma, and the second name as Javed, and website it's optional. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give that person, this person, Asma Javed, a password. That means no one can access my website, only this Asma Javed will access, only this Asma Javed will have access to it. I'll give it this password to this my editor, and she can log in. So after that I'm gonna confirm use of weak password. I'm giving her the role of editor. So I will add new user. So I'll click on add new user, and Asma Javed, my new editor, will be added in my user roles. So I'll just show you, let me, yeah. So now I can just save a password for remembering it. So what I'll do, she has been added here and there are 0 posts. So if she posts anything, then I'm gonna look here. So I'll send her the email password so that she can log into this, she can has access to my website as well. So what this user roles are very useful for you, like how if you have a blog or you are making a blog website, so what you can do, you can have different members, team members, and everyone can just manage this website with you, can upload different posts, and it will be very easy for you. So these were the one thing I want to tell you about your profile. If you go to your profile, so your profile is what? Your profile is my own profile. So here I can add the different color schemes like I like, and color scheme. So I can just select it, and I can add my, I can change my name. Like I want to change it to my own Info to Explore or something else. I can just change it from here. I can change my email, and I can just yeah, I can update my profile picture as well, and I'll just update my profile. So these were my topic about user. So please subscribe my channel so that you can watch my latest videos. Thank you.